Very good evening to all. My name is Jose. I'm from India, from Kerala. I'm very happy to take this opportunity to explain what is Royal Q all about. I hope my audio is, clear to you all. Anybody can just have his word. Is it clear, Mr. Anthony?
Yes, sir, it is.
Thank you. So, what is Royal Q quantification? What is my role in this Royal Q quantification? Who I am to give you the details about Royal Q. So I'm just like you, a person who come to know about a Royal Q a business or about the software just a month ago. But I have taken it seriously to promote or to go to the market to tell them, the people who are around me, what is all about Royal Q, how the software is working, how this software has given me profit. So this good news I used to start to tell since last 1 month, and it's benefited me. I want the people around the world, they should understand what is Royal Q, how the software will work for you. My experience only I am going to share. I don't know others what they do. So I created a team called Team Ocean. It is my team. It is now within span of a month, I got an activated software users of 480 people as on today. The disclaimer, we are not a financial advisors, trade experts, accountants, or the owners of Royal Q. This presentation is intended for educational purposes only and do not replace independent professional judgment. Statements of fact and opinions expressed here are those of the participants individually and are not the opinion or position of financial experts, trade analysts, or accountants, or the lawyers. Attendees and participants are prohibited to use this presentation as a proof of promissory to mislead the public into any form of schemes in this world. Please do your own due diligence before joining this program. I hope you may understand. It's very clearly I'm saying that I am not the owner of this Royal Q. I am not an accountant. I am not an expert, or I am not a financial advisor. But this presentation I have made it for the purpose of educational purpose only, so that each and everybody will come to know whether this software will work for us or not. And I'm going to explain about my experience here. It may be or may not be, everyone may success or not. That is, it depends upon the using of the software properly. Here, many questions will come to the people when we talk about Royal Q. What is Royal Q? That will be the first question a person who asks you. So we need to explain what is Royal Q, what is Binance, and its safety to keep money, and the role of Binance and Royal Q, the prospects of cryptocurrencies, why digital currency trading or a cryptocurrency trading. Then sixth question is, can I make big money promoting Royal Q? The seventh question is, can I make passive income from Royal Q? The eighth one, after all these all 7 questions are it's clear, then the 8th question may comes to you, how do I subscribe Royal Q? And the 9th question, what is the cost of Royal Q? And the last question, what support system is available for its customers and business developers? That's the most important thing. So these 10 questions I will be explaining you in detail for coming slides. Yes, what is Royal Q? Royal Q is a one-stop intelligent quantitative trading software It works on crypto market 24/7. That means the Royal Q robot spot trade on Binance and Hobby while you sleep. Here there are three main people here. One is the software of Royal Q. Second is you. The third one is the bank called Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto bank in this world. Now, what is Royal Q? Royal Q, I told you already, it is an artificial intelligent robot and uses advanced mathematical model to replace human subjective judgments. It's a more powerful, capable to handle bulk of data. I mean to say that we have all together in this world, as on today, it is 11,000 plus cryptocurrencies available in this world. Out of that, the filtered, we are having in Binance itself around 380 plus coins. The rest of all we eliminated from the trading purpose. Again, our software, Royal Q software, has selected out of the 380, which is already available in Binance Exchange, we have selected around 60 plus coins only. So we have a lot of opportunity to get a lot of profit while using these coins, these pairs. So bulk, that means as a human being, we can handle 1 or 2 or 10 coins maybe. But as an artificial intelligent robot, he can do a trading at a time 20, 30, 40 coins or pairs. That is a most powerful robot what we are using. And again, and efficiency is no delay. There is no public holidays, no weekends. 24/7, this software will work. And our robot is emotionless. No fear of loss, no greed, no stress, no subjective judgments. That will keep on doing trading. As a human being, if I am sitting there, if I'm getting 5 rupees or $5 as profit, I will think, let me get another 5 more, then I'll do. I will wait. Meantime, what happened? Instead of $5, $50 I will get lost. So here it's not like that. If we are set it to 1% profit, the moment the profit comes, it will sell it out and will give us the profit. So it uses computer technology to select a variety of high probability, access and uses huge historical data to formulate the winning strategy. Of course, it gives buys in low and sells in high to give you better profit from the trading. That's what we need. As human being, we also do that. Manually, when we do a trading, we'll wait, the money comes down, the rate comes down. Then we will sell it out when it comes up. That is the variation of the profit what we get it. But we can't sleep. We need to keep on working 24/7 without moving the eyes from the market. Whereas once we done the setting, in robot will do all the work. So the benefit of digital currency trading, especially the cryptocurrency, which is decentralized one. Sorry. The cryptocurrency, it is a decentralized one. It is within the blockchain technology and no entity controlling this currency in the world. No one is controlling this in the world. So we know about the success of Bitcoin since last 11 years, 10 to 11 years. It was just a few, not even $1 worth in the year of 2009. We know that it came up to 60K, 6,000 US dollar. Now, of course, it is going on in 3,000 old is going on. 30,000 old is going on now. So the exponential growth of cryptocurrencies, the crypto market is 2.5 trillions in major exchanges. Here, the good news I want to tell you is we are not doing the trading like others, like what you call manual trading. Here we are doing in a great way. It is not what you call what you call ups and downs comes, we'll buy and sell. We are not doing manually. It all happens. Here in this software, when you use, it's not a leverage system. It's a quantitative system, what we call. In volatility, it will work. If it comes up, it will sell it. When it goes down, it buy. That provides good opportunity here. We are not bother market value, whether it is 50 lakh or 20 lakh or 15 lakh, what we are not bothered. Whatever the amount is there, from that amount, it comes 1% up, we'll get profit. When it goes down, we'll buy. Again, it goes up, we'll buy. Sell. So buy, sell option when it comes, that's a great opportunity. Anytime it is a green opportunity for us. So 24/7 is a market hours, 365 days, it works. And very simple, within 5 minutes, we can open an account in Binance and all, or in any crypto exchanges. You see here, in 2019, if you look at copper, if you look at silver, if you look at gold or crude oil, it's all, if you see that, even not 100% has arrived. Whereas cryptocurrency, you can see Bitcoin has reached to 363 plus percentage, 683% plus in ETH or Ethereum, Ether, what we call ETH. That is the power of blockchain technology, or that's the power of the cryptocurrency trading. That is the benefit which I want to tell you. Now, yesterday when I seen it, it was 11,000 plus odd, and now it's 11,120. Every day there are new coins that keep on coming. Where you can find, you can just go to coinmarketcap.com and you can see that 99.99% of coins are listed in this coinmarketcap.com. It shows that 11,000 plus coins are available in the market. More than 390 exchanges available in this market. As on the day which I'm recording this video, the BTC rate was 41% up. ETH was 18.7% up. I'm going to say around 37,327 price, which we had taken it on the day. Ether or Ethereum, it is $2,711 it is. It is up 18%, 0.7 is up. So it goes ups and down, it's a market. So the coming to the point of Royal Q. What is Royal Q? What you were all here, what Binance will do for us. There are 3 opportunities for a human being here. For you, there's a 3 opportunity. One, you just buy the software. You not require any bank account in Binance. You can do a network and you can earn money. There is one option. The second option is, you just buy the software, open a Binance bank account, API interface it, and you do the trading. No need to do network here. And the third option is, you just buy the software, Royal Q software, and just open your Binance account there, do the trading. Along with the trading, you can do network also. The 3 varieties of opportunity what Royal Q provide you. One is a network, second is a trading, third one trading and network. I am using this one, the third option, which is called, I purchased with $100 USDT the Royal Q software. I have opened a Binance account. I mean API interface had done it. I tied up with the API interface and I started trading. I used to earn money regularly, every day, 1%, 0.5%, 2%. I informed my friend saying that, see, I put some money and I'm getting this much of profit. Then my friend said, hey, if you're earning that much, let me also learn. I said, bro, come, let us join together hands. And I teach him how I done in last 4 days of my experience. Just I explain him. And he started work. He didn't inform to any friends. He invested just $300 and he started work. In $300, he earned around approximately 10% of profit in 3-4 days. Then he said, Joe sir, it's good. Then he said, sir, I will inform my friend. He also will come. He said, he don't want to start his business, not network, but he want trading. I said, okay, go ahead. After getting profit, he also invited a few friends. Now my team become 480 people within a span of 1 month. Nobody has brought anyone, but everybody has come together. Now we are a big team. Now I got around 4 or 5 countries in the world, in India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, 7 countries. Without my knowledge, my friends brought many people into my team. I am blessed with my team, in fact. So your fund is 100% in your control. What on the fund will be in your bank? You can encash it immediately into your local currency. So how Royal Q artificial intelligent robot works? You need to subscribe to Royal Q with the referral link of given by your friend from wherever you invited you. And you open a Binance bank account. If you already have a Binance account, that is enough. You don't need to open a new one because only one Binance account for one person. Then you have to interface with the API, with the bot, and the robot will work for you 24/7, and it gives you a profit in your account. So your money is safe in Binance. Why? Because Binance is one of the leading trading platform around the world with over 200 coins supported for deposit and withdrawal. The facts about Binance exchanges in 2020 is 15 billion US dollar in 24-hour all-time high spot trading. That is up by 5 billion compared to 2019 of trading. 3.88 billion average daily trading volume. That too, comparing to 2019, the 36% is more. It says that, I'll come to short, and 26 languages featured on the Binance website. Compared to 2019, is 16 languages are new and 10 languages supported by Binance customer services. It's a great opportunity. And Binance security aspects. This is 4-factor authentication we have. The security aspects. But I suggest it's more than sufficient too. At least your mobile and your email, if possible, Google authentication. That fraction of seconds, within once a minute, that is called 60 seconds. You need to give that OTP, what you get it from the mobile and email, to generate an API key and security key. And you need to enable only the enable spot and margin trading, which is API restrictions you can mention there. So you are giving the permission, the robot of Royal Q will do only the trading part. From the spot, what all you keep the money. And of course, you will be giving restriction from the IP address too. That the Royal Q will provide you the IP address which is trusted by our software. That you must apply there in Binance. So nobody can do other than that. So high security it is, what do we say? So it's very safe, your fund there. If you got any problem, you have 100% option to go to your Binance bank account, open it, delete all API option also available. And we suggest that every 15 days, you must change your API key and security key once in a while to prove that's more secure about it. Now, coming to the trading part, how much profit can Royal Q make daily? Of course, the trading strategy, plan your trade according to your fund size. You need to keep on updating your strategies. Suppose you started a strategy today. If it gives you a lump sum amount, even a good profit, then you know it to change for 365 days. Suppose it's not giving you more experience, more profits after 48 hours or 1 day, 2 day or 3 days, you can change into a new strategy. We are using here as a martingale trading strategy, which is a very great system, but we have it. The 3 kind of strategies we have. Usually I give the training program, especially for trading. It's like a conservative, moderate, and we have one more positions we have. That all in the training programs we'll providing, specially how the people want to do trading. Usually I'm having every day Indian time on 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. That means 11, 12, 1, 2, 4 hours during daytime in India. I will be available for anyone. They can come, they can learn. Definitely we'll give you live example for that. And evening Indian time around 5 p.m. to 7 o'clock. Around 2 hours I'll be available online to support. It's a regularly with a prior appointment. Anyhow, my teammates are earning minimum is 0.5% to 1% average daily. That means monthly approximately 15% to 30% is the profit what they earn. That's what I can, in my experience, which my team is earning as on today. The income testimonies you can see here. A person who started with 10,000 USD and is earning average of 200 USD. Approximately within a 1 month time, he got on 56%. It was depends upon the market. You can see here 199 is the least one and 1301 is the highest income already earned. Depends upon the market, it keeps ups and downs. May sometimes 1 or 2 days you may be or may not be getting a single penny. But all together in a month, he earned around 5,685 USDT. It's possible with with RoyalQ software. It's possible. This is all about only trading. The people who have a lot of money, he can go with the trading. Whereas one person who started with just 100 USDT and no investment, no trading, he don't have even Binance account, but he started to earn average of 300 plus per month, per day. Within 2 months of time, he earned 4,804 USDT. That too, he's from India. There are many people from Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, even Nigeria. We have a successful people. And you can see here 356, 344, and the least one is 303, 539. This is the power of network. The people who does network, this is the daily income what we can expect within 2 months of hard work. Just 2 months of hard work. Day and night, he may be not slept. He is working day and night. I'm sure that this person has worked for more than 20 hours a day. That's the reason he earned 4,804 USD in 1 month's time. Now, within 2 months' time, one person has come to the stage of daily earning of $2,564. Can you imagine it? Daily income. On 1st of June, he is earned $7,095 in 1 day. This is called V6 rank in RoyalQ. So daily $1,000 you can easily earn with the hard work of 2 months. A person can do means I guarantee you people can also earn definitely at least $1,000 per day. Per day. After hard work of 90 days. I'll show you the picture. How can we earn? What we must do? How we can do it? Yes. What is the cost of RoyalQ? For 1 year, the license cost or rent, what we call 100 USDT, what you have to pay. It is not USD, it is a USDT. It's again a tether. It is a cryptocurrency. It's almost comes around $77 to $78, approximately 80 Indian rupees comes in India. So it will be higher than your USD. So make sure that Before telling your friends, tell them it is 100 USDT. You can watch it in Binance or any cryptocurrency exchange. You can see what is the rate of USDT on that particular time. And this amount, once you paid, you never get back, because the 30% of $100 will go to the company and $70 will go to the network promoters. So on the spot, it will be distributed. So that money, you will never get it back. So make sure your teammates, your friends must know about it, that this $100 is for 1 year license only. Now, the profit sharing is 80-20. 80% is ours, 20% the Royal Q robot will collect for the fuel fee. Without fuel fee, robot will not work. Example, without a petrol, the car will not able to move, right? The same way, the robot will collect the fuel fee 20%. Example, Royal Q can't take the money directly from your Binance account. For that reason, you must do it that you must collect or keep $20 or $10 to $15 minimum in Royal Q wallet as in a preloaded wallet. After that, from that preloaded RQ Royal Q wallet, that money will be deducted. Suppose today you got $100 means $20 will be deducted from your Royal Q wallet. So you must keep it in asset. So the full amount, the 100% amount will come to your wallet in your bank account directly. And what they will do is, this 20%, they'll give you to the incentives to the networkers, back office management expenses and technical support expenses, they were using it. So how to subscribe the Royal Q? The step 1, those who invited you to this meeting, ask them for the referral link. They definitely will give you. It will be look like this. It is my referral link. Don't use this one. You must use it from the person who sent you or called you. Get the referral link from him and click on it. There will be a form will be open like this. The window will be opening like this. Here you need to enter your email ID and don't put send verification code. Instead of that, after entering your email ID, go for login password and confirm password. Then there should not be any special character. Only you are just like a words. Example, my name is Jose. I put J, capital letter, OSE, small letters, and number 2021. And you can choose your own. It should be similar to that in a different code. And better to write it down in your book so that you will not be forgetting it. And after completion of login password and confirm password, then you need to click on send verification code. You will be getting a 6-digit OTP from your registered email ID. You just go there, collect it that, paste it over here, then you click on register. I request that after registration, please hold on, allow it, and you can go. If you are using an Android version, better to go to Google Play through the same app. Then you can download it from there. Never directly go to the Play Store and download it. If you're using an iPhone, better to go to App Store through this link only, so that it will help you to give you the original Royal Q app. Otherwise, you will be missing your fund. After installing the Royal Q app from the Google Store or App Store, you can go ahead with the Binance account. If you have already a Binance account, it's very good and care. If not, ask your friend who gave you the registration link. He will provide you the Binance link also. Go through that link, so it will be beneficial for your counselor or your inviter. Then if you're planning for an trading with network, go with the minimum 300 USDT. If you're not planning for trading, no issue, go with the 100 USDT. That's the two options I told you. If you have already trading, also you are planning, then you have to transfer 120 USDT for subscription and fuel charges from Binance to Royal Q. Suppose if you are going only for network, better to transfer only 100 USDT. I think there is $1 will be charged by USD, I mean Binance. So I suggest that to go with the $101 or $121 so that you will get a correct amount in your balance. Then you can bind the API and private key with the Royal Q. Then you must go for the trading according to your fund size. Here we have three varieties of trading strategies. One is called conservative, another one is called moderate, and aggressive. I will be providing a separate training program for this martingale trading strategy to get. My team is really enjoying. Every day they are earning money, whether the market goes down or up. So I am following the strategy, which I can give you a separate class according to the requirement. Now come to the network, the rank advancement. If you're going for network only, you need to start with just $100, 100 USDT. The moment you given 100 USDT and registered and activated, you become the rank called V1. Here, from that time onwards, if you get your friend with your referral link, you will be eligible to get $30. 30% means when the person given $100 and activated his license or he purchased his software, immediately $30 will come to you directly to your account. That is called direct push awards. DPA, direct push awards. $30 will be credited to your account. Now, under your team, whoever you brought, what all the trading has happened, the 20% what the Royal Q will have collected for fuel charges. Whether it just assume it's a $20 or $100, 20% of that amount will come to you directly because you are directly brought. That is called direct quantification, team rewards. Now, the moment you got 20 people in your team, whether you are directly or minimum 3 direct and the balance is with your teammates. Suppose if you got 20 people in your team with a minimum of direct 3 members, your rank will be changed into V2 rank. Then your income will be, there will be 3 income will be there. I'll tell you one thing. In V1, you will have only 2 incomes. That is, one is direct push award, which you are getting the people. Directly you get $30 and you will get team rewards, which is the trading what all happen under your team. That will be according to the, team rewards, they will give you 20% to you. But from second rank onwards, you will be getting 3 incomes. The number 1 income is DPA, that is called direct push awards. Whoever you bring directly with your referrals, you will be getting $40. That is first income. The second income is whoever works under your team in V1, those people when they get their referral, they will be getting $30 and $10 will come to you. Whenever they get their referral, they get $30, you get 10 each. That means that is the second income. The third income, as you said, team rewards. The direct referrals, V1 reference, what all under you directly, those people, whatever the trading does, that is called direct quantification team rewards. It is there 30%. But when the indirect, that means you already have a 20 people now, those guys when get their teammates and they does the trading, that is called team rewards, you will get 10% only because 20% will go to your direct persons and the balance 10% will come to you. Now, you have a minimum of 5 directs and you must have a 3 V2 leaders under you. 3 V2 leaders means each V2 person will have a 20 teammates with the 3 directs. That means 60 people. Plus, altogether your team should be activated, people should be 100 active team members. Then you will get, from here onwards, you will get 4 benefits, 4 type of income you will get. The first income is directly when you bring a person, you will get DPA, direct push awards. That is called 50%. Example, if a person joined with $100, $50 will be yours. And the second income is a person who bring below you, that means V2 or V1. Those people, when they get their people, example, one person in V1, if gets one person, he get $30 and $20 will be you receiving it. Suppose a qualified V2 person is bring one person under him directly, he get $30 and you get $10. That is the second income. Now the third income is team rewards. I told you depends upon the trading, depends upon the direct quantification 40%, indirect quantification, the team reward, quantification will come 10 and 30, 10 and 20. And the new income from here onwards it starts, that is called peer award. Peer award means PA. That means the same rank holders under you. Youth V3, under you there will be so many V3s can be happen out of 100 people. So that you will get 5% because you are not eligible to get any extra income from those people. So you will get what all those guys earned, you get 5% out of that. I am in this stage now. V3 income, V3 rank I am into. I have 480 people in my team. And I have directly 20 people are there. But just a few days ago only I got one more leader under me. So there must be 3 leaders should be there with us always to achieve the next level. Now I'm waiting for 2 more V3s under me. Already I have a V3 in my team. I need another 2 more V3s. So then if I get that 2 more V3s means each one will be having 300. 100 each V2s. That V3 means 100 teammates are there. So 3 V3 means it will be 300. And minimum is 8 direct members. Total team size is 300. If I am looking for V3, each V3 is 100 people. So V3s comes, automatically I will be V4 rank. When I become V4 rank, my direct push award is 60%. And the lucky what we can say it, the people who are being in V4, their daily average income start with minimum is $250 to $700 per day. I shown you one testimony there, 300 something. Maybe he is one among the V4 rank holder. $60, you imagine it if you get a person into the business. It's a huge amount. And suppose the second income, either a V1 guy under you who gets one person, he gets 30, the balance 30 will come to you, equal. If a V2 person gets one person under you, then he gets 40 and $20 will come to you. If a V3 guy under you, he gets 50 and you get $10. That is the second income. And the third income, which I told you, team rewards. Directly who are there, direct quantification will be 50% and indirect quantification, quantification will be as according to the what they call the ranking system. If a V1 guy, you get 30%. If a V2 guy, then you will get 20%. If a V3 guy, you will get 10%. And of course, peer award is 5%. Now, to get V5 rank, you need minimum of 12 direct members. You must have a V4 3 people. So 3 into 300, it is 900 team members will be there. Here it's showing only 800, but it will be 900 people will be there. Active team members will be there under you when you have a 3 V4s. So you are eligible to get 65%. Directly, if you get a person, you get $65 as a direct push award, team reward 55, and peer award 5%. Now, the last and the highest income of this company, you become a partner of Royal Q. There's no mediators in between you and the Royal Q software. The company also will give you one more additional income for you, which is called GD, that is called global dividend. DPA means directly you get 70% a person join under you. $30 will go to the company, 70% will come to your account. Team rewards also, 40% will go to the company, 60% will come to you directly. And peer award is 5%. And global dividend is 5%. This amount itself will be not less than 1,000 per day. So this is what the ranking advancement system. I think I understand. I explain you very well in very slow manner. If you have any doubt, definitely I will explain it again and again. Now our target is to achieve V6 rank in 90 days. V6 rank in 90 days. For that, what you must do is, as an MBA graduate, my personal experience, what I'm saying, any product if you want to promote to this world, you must approach the people the maximum. Here our target is the V6 means within, after registering, after activation of your account, you need to get within 15 days of time 20 direct enrollment if you are planning for the V6 in 90 days. This 20 enrollment means there may not be a networkers. No matter, never mind. To reach to 20 people to be a partners of your company, your business, I am giving you 10:1 is the ratio. If you want to reach 10 presentation within a day, you need to approach minimum 100 people. I mean to say that, again, at least listening the presentation required 10:1. And out of the 10:1 will be converted also 10:1. So approximately in your phone, if you take it out, write it down a list of your prospects and share this opportunity. Invite them to Zoom presentation. Teach 5 to reach 5. And at least if you are made of 200 presentations, I can guarantee you that 20 enrollment will be in your team. 20 active members will be in your team. It is guaranteed. That means first 15 days, you work hard to do 200 presentations, approximately 14 presentation or 15 presentation per day. Then it is happening. 20 people will be under you. It is a guaranteed result you will get it. And next 15 days, you must select out of this 20, just 5 leaders like you. The 5 leaders means the 15 people may not be working. They just started. They may do trading. They may not be doing trading. They may do the network, may not be doing network. But select 5 aggressive guy to do this business. And those guys also must get the 20 people within 15 days. That means you become V3 rank holder. 100 people direct as the team and minimum 3 people you require. Here we have 5 people. I guarantee you next 15 days, if you select out of this 100, 5 each, 25 leaders will be there. The 25 people also will get the 20 people, become 500 teammates under your team within 1.5 months. 500 teammates and 25 leaders, you become V4 rank holders. And next 15 days, within 2 months, you will be reaching V5 rank. It's guaranteed. And I'm telling you, next 15 days, you become V6 rank because you have 5 leaders with you. 3,125 members are activated. And your dream should be your 5 guys under you who are leaders. They also must be V6 rank holder. So next 15 days, we are going to work for them. And 6 V6 under you. And you are the top V6. You will get PA, that is called peer award, 5% from this 6 leaders, 5 leaders. And others, you will get other benefits. So your daily income is not less than 1,000. Approximately in a month, even you can earn 1 lakh plus USDT. That's what the testimony says. Become V6 in 90 days and approximately 1 lakh plus USD per month. It is possible. There are people proven We have a proven people within 2 months, those people earned this much of income. Remember, this is the important reminder. You need to be aware of crypto market volatility. Never be panic. Whether the market goes up or come down, you have to be aware of that market volatility. And you need to believe in cryptocurrency. The people doesn't know about cryptocurrency. You need to prove them what happened in last 10 years or 11 years. And you need to be patient with the market adversity. Those who are doing the trading especially. And you need to trust the process to achieve the success. And don't join into a crypto business with your last dollar. Means you never come up with the last dollar to be with the crypto business, because you need to patiently wait to success. It may take a month ago, 2 months maybe, but you will success, provided you need patiently do this business. It's the most important thing. So recap of presentation. RoyalQ is an artificial intelligence robot that trades on Binance and brings profit to you. That is the first point. The second is RoyalQ works 24/7 based on the settings you choose. RoyalQ rental cost is 100 USDT per year, that you never get it back. Every year you must renew it. And the RoyalQ share the profit 80-20 basis, where you pay by preloading RoyalQ wallet in advance. Otherwise, the robot will not work. I was given an example like a car. If you buy a car without a petrol, that is not going to work. So you need to put the petrol into that. That is called fuel. Here also, the robot will work when you pay the fuel cost. And your money is in your control. That is deposited in Binance. That you are responsible for your password, mobile, OTP, email, OTP, everything. You have to keep safe. Binance is the largest crypto exchange that is well secured. And the networkers get paid between 30 to 70% from RoyalQ rental and from trading profit sharings. And of course, the exercise your responsibility, give the care and guide to your members you introduce mainly. Never introduce somebody and leave them on the road. Many people are coming saying that my introducer, my counsel is not supporting me, sir. Please, can you help me? Of course I can, but there's a limitation for everything. So make sure that you will be supporting your team without any hesitation. Thank you very much. I'm from Team Ocean from India, and we have training program online. It's a private meeting, not for the public. Those who are doing trading and those who want to aggressively work with a prior appointment only, the entry is allowed. You can contact your counselor or your team head, or you can call me directly to attend this meeting. Without appointment, you are not authorized to come to my meeting. It's in Indian time. It will be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you can convert into your country's timings. Evening session, I will be in Indian time. It's 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday only, not Saturday, Sunday. And Sundays, I will be available only after 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And it's very strictly, I remind you, entry with prior appointment only, with the same Zoom ID. Team Ocean is the password. And thank you very much for your valuable time to listening to my videos. And if you are interested, this video, you can subscribe it. I will share it with you. You can send it to your friends and relatives. And if you like it, you can click on that thumb, and you can click on that bell icons to get my all updated videos regarding RoyalQ International. Thank you and God bless you.